today we brought our students that were the winners of the public speaking competition to Erbil to visit the ministry as a reward. We also arranged a tour for them with Youth Hub. The purpose of this visit was for the students to see the tools that they can use for their futures and endless ideas that they can have. So stay tuned for the future and see what we have.
I'm Esther Shiran. I'm one of the participants and the winner of the AUIS Speaking Competition. And today we're here as part of the reward that we've gotten from being the finalists of the competition. And I got really great benefits from this meeting. For example, we got to share opinions, and also it was one of the biggest opportunities of my life to meet with the president of the Ministry of Education himself. Thank you to AUIS.
I'm Niman Nariman, and I participated in the AUIS Public Speaking Competition. And today, since I made it to the finals, me and the people who made it to the finals, they brought us to the Ministry of Education and also to Youth Hub. And it was very fun. I enjoyed today so much. I learned new things, new information.